It is still fresh in my mind when I was shot by a gun here in my leg. MJ was there and assisted me. You know that time, I felt something I couldn't explain. But I think that's love at first. Settling down, we have not yet discussed about it. Besides, we're still too young. I mean, 25 is still young to have own family. I hope you understand, sir. But don't worry, you will be the first person to know if we have already our plans. This is Yusuf. Hello? MJ. Yes.
Stay in the
Yes,
center.
yes. I'm here in that
Move
house.
to the center.
Yes. We are having our dinner right now.
Move to the center.
Yes. Tomorrow? 7 p.m.? Oh, sure. Sure. Okay, bye. I love you more. MJ, sir. MJ. He wants me to pick him up after his work. Oh, we better go here so that you can talk to each other. Yes, Dad. MJ is a man. I thought you already know about myself. I thought you already accepted me. Come on. Look, I've done everything for you. I chose to study PMA because that's what you want from me. I chose to be in military for you to accept me. But I was wrong. I was badly wrong. Sir, please understand this. No, sir, no. I will not break with you. Okay. I will not. You already ruined my life for a long time. But this time, I will not let you ruin my life. I will not follow you